Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss one numerical related to plane mirror. Question: a boy of height h wants to see his full image in a plane mirror. Find the minimum length of mirror required. What question says? Question says one boy is here who want to see our full image, and question ask minimum length of required mirror. So we will find minimum length of required figure. The boy will say our full image. Solution: we consider AC a boy, and we take one mirror. As we know, we will see all of things with our eyes. So we consider here one point B, that is our eyes. Let's consider distance between mirror and boy is L. Then we will get image also. The distance of between mirror and image is L. We follow all characteristics here related to plane mirror. First we consider if we want to draw a ray diagram. So I will say two easy method to draw the diagram. You see here where we had, then we will get image A dash, V dash image, and C dash image. So we will get A dash C dash boy in the image, and we follow all characteristics of plane mirror. If the ray coming point A, then AP be incident on the mirror at point P, and same if the rays coming point A, then let AP be incident on the mirror at point P. Same if rays coming point C, then CR be incident onto the mirror at point R. You see here, this is our incident ray, this also incident ray. After reflecting, rays coming towards our eyes. After the strike, the mirror ray AP reflected PB and CR reflected RB. The following the law of reflection, angle APB is equal PBR and angle PBR is equal CRB. Image A dash C dash at rather than look at the mirror image appear 2 point behind the mirror. That's called this point A dash and C dash. Point A dash is only reformed once reflected rays are produced backward and meet behind the mirror. A dash is just a point. It is referred to as the point image. Point A dash is virtual, as these rays do not actually meet but appear 2 point make A dash produce backward. Boy see the image in the plane mirror, and he will get image between mirror portion P to R and get image A dash to C dash. Here we consider one normal B dash. Here you see it is a normal. Then we will get B dash, A dash, one triangle, and second triangle B dash, C dash. law of symmetry, we will solve this triangle. Let's solve our triangle. We get triangle B A dash B dash, B A dash B dash. You see in the blackboard, we solve this triangle help of symmetry. Then we will get A dash B dash divided by PQ and B B dash divided by BQ. A dash divided by PQ and B dash divided by BQ. If we consider this distance PQ, then we will get PQ is equal X. We will put in the value X here. B dash. If this length is L, this length is L, so we consider B dash to L and BQ is L. Then we will get A dash B dash is equal to X. Next triangle B dash Q dash. You see B dash C dash divided by QR is equal B dash divided by BQ. B dash divided by BQ. Similarly, we put B dash to L and BQ is equal L. And here we consider QR is equal Y. So we will get B dash C dash is equal to Y. You see A B dash we get 2X and B dash C dash we get 2Y. If we consider this X and this Y, we will get 2X and here 2Y. We will get A dash and B dash is equal 2X and B dash C dash is equal to Y. Then we will say size of mirror X plus Y. This is the minimum length of required mirror. Conclusion is, a person to see his full image in a mirror, the ray of light from his feet, his head after reflection from one end of the mirror should reach the eyes, and also the ray of light from his foot after reflection from the other end of the mirror should reach his eyes. Hence, to see his full image, the least size of the mirror should be half the height of the observer. The lower end of mirror should be just in line with midpoint between the eye and ground. So conclusion we say, if person want to full image, the least size of the mirror should be half the height of the observer. Thank you students. I hope you have must understood.